Hey guys, what's up? So I'm gonna be showing you guys a little how-to video. This is basically gonna show you how to link your YouTube channel to your Steam account. So, alright, let's do it. First you wanna open Steam. And then that way you can share your videos or whatever on Steam. Like if you got YouTube videos, you can share that. Gameplay stuff, whatever. Just opening this real quick. Okay, now that you're here, you're gonna want to go to your username. In this case, mine's 7heavenhaven. Go to profile right here. Then you want to go to videos right here. And then you want to click on this. But there's a problem. When you click here, link YouTube account. Let's see. Your videos now on Steam. Share your fun skimming moments with your friends. Upload amazing highlights, side reviews. Link your YouTube account here. Select the videos you want and then share with and then click right here. Access your YouTube videos. And then you want to put on your stuff, your info. So, but there's an issue. When I put in my email there, this is what shows up. Couldn't sign you in. This browser app may not be secure. Try using a different browser. If you're already using a supported browser, you can try again to sign in. So what you want to do is go back to profile again. Go to videos. And then what you want to do right here is right click. First you want to, let's go open a browser. I'm going to use Opera GX. So what I'm gonna do is open a new window and then I'm gonna go to the Steam website. You're gonna want to log in. Instead of the Steam app, you're gonna want to log in on a browser. In this case, you can use whatever you want. Google Chrome, Firefox. Welcome to Steam. I'm gonna go here and store.steampowered and then I'm not gonna install it, I'm gonna log in. And then basically I'm gonna sign in with my stuff. Okay, now that you've logged in, it should say success. I put in all the code, my email and my password. Proceed to Steam, and now you're logged in from this. So what you want to do is go back to your Steam app. What you want to do is go here, link YouTube account, and right click on that. Right click, then go down to copy page URL. Then you want to go back to your browser or you're logged in. Then you want to go to that same thing. There you go to your account, go to videos. You want to, or basically you can just go up here. Let's say you're already logged in. Just want to go here, right click, paste and go. And you should be on this screen right here. So you want to go to this link YouTube account, click on that, and then you want to read that, and then you want to click on this, access your YouTube, and then you want to log into your and just put in your YouTube channel, your email and your password. Right. Now that you're logged in, you just want to read all this, then click allow, and you should be set. There you go. So this is what you want to see. And then you just add the videos, and then your rest. That's how you do it. Oops. So basically you just pick the one you want to add, and then you should be set. Whatever you want to add, it's up to you. You can make a video and then share it, then you click add once you're ready. Let's say I want to add one of the Contra games, for example. Let's see, well, let's look for one. I think the one I did a speedrun on, maybe that'll work. trying to find it. Yeah, this one maybe. I can share that, and then you click on the check right here. Then you want to specify associate video game with Contra Anniversary Collection, for example, or whatever, and then add it to your profile. In order to add videos to your YouTube account, they must be set to public visibility. They must allow embedding. So yeah, you have to be public on your YouTube channel, and you must allow it to be shared. Just a video YouTube can don't see it list, and then you just add, and that should be it. Successfully added one video. And then if you go to your right here, and then you go to the store, for example, let's go to the Contra Anniversary. This is the app, the Steam app. And then you see if I shared anything. I already made a review on this. Let's go to community and see what discussion. Or let's go to my profile, then click on video. There you go. This was the one I shared. So yeah, that's how you basically do it. So I hope that helps. And yeah, later. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. So basically every time you want to add a video, you have to log in from a browser. And then you gotta, you know, add a video. You can't edit from from the app. I don't know why they haven't fixed that. So you'll have to go to one of these, like Opera, Firefox, and then open your Steam account from there. So yeah.